Hello students, hope you are all well, safe and healthy at home. So students, today we shall start with the next term syllabus, that is chapter number 5, heat, and this chapter is for the second unit test. Don't forget chapter number 5, heat. This chapter is for the second unit test, and this is video number 18, part 1. So students, first of all, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy which causes in us the sensation of warmth or coldness. Once again, heat is a form of energy which causes in us the sensation of warmth or coldness. Now there is another term which is relative to heat, and that term is temperature. So there is a lot of difference between heat and temperature. Now what is temperature? Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Just see the difference. Heat is a form of energy which causes in us the sensation of warmth or coldness. And whereas the temperature is concerned, temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Now, heat flows. We know that heat flows, and heat flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a low temperature. I think you must have got it. Heat flows from the body at a higher temperature to body at a lower temperature, and it is the temperature which determines the direction of flow of heat. Means in which direction the heat will flow, that will be determined by the temperature only. For example, students, this is a hot body, and this is a cold body. Let the temperature of this body is 20 degrees Celsius, and let the temperature of this body is 15 degrees Celsius. Now bring these two bodies together like this. Now since this body is at higher temperature, its temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and this body temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. You can take it A, you can take AB. Now this is A, this is B. Now the heat will flows from A to B, since A is at the higher temperature. So heat will flow from the body at a higher temperature to body at a lower temperature. Now it will keep on flowing till the temperature of both the body A and B becomes equal. This is one of the most important point. The heat will keeps on flowing from the body A to body B till the temperature of both the body becomes same, and that state is known as thermal equilibrium, or you can say that is thermal state. Got it? Now heat can also be defined as a form of energy. Heat can also be defined as a form of form of energy due to random motion of molecules of an object, like burning of fuel in an engine produces heat energy in the engine which makes it work. We burn petrol, diesel or gas in a car engine to make it run. Now the next is units of heat energy. Important point is units of heat energy. First of all, the SI unit. Now students, just see that heat is a form of energy. So what is the SI unit of energy? Joule. So that is why the SI unit of heat, SI unit is, I am just writing the SI unit is also Joule. Joule. It is represented with letter J. SI unit is Joule. But commonly used unit of heat, that is calorie. CALORE, calorie, and it is represented with symbol CAL, calorie. So student, first of all, just keep this in your thing in your mind, that unit of heat energy, SI unit is Joule, and commonly used unit for the heat energy is calorie, and it is represented with symbol CAL. Now the bigger unit is kilocalorie. I'm just writing it kilocalorie, and it is represented with KCAL. Commonly used unit is calorie and bigger unit is kilocalorie, KCL. So 1 kilocalorie, that is equal to 1000 calorie. Now relation between SI unit and calorie. Important point, relation between joule and calorie, that is 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule, or 1 joule is equal to 1 by 4 by 2 calorie. Just mind it. Now the next topic is any devices used for measurement of the temperature is called thermometer. What is thermometer? Thermometer, you can define it It is a device. It is a device used for the measurement of the temperature. Once again, student, thermometer. It is a device used for the measurement of the temperature. Now, to measure temperature or degree of hotness, we need to have thermometers. So, there are different types of scales by which we can measure the temperature. The first one scale is Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit scale. And it is represented as with symbol degree Fahrenheit. Now, first of all, what is thermometer? Thermometer is a device used for the measurement of the temperature. Now, there are different scales by which we can measure the temperature of a body. The first one is Fahrenheit scale, and its symbol is degree Fahrenheit. So, in Fahrenheit scale, the normal temperature of human body, I am just writing here point A, normal body temperature. Normal body temperature means human body, our normal temperature, our body normal temperature. It is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. To 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. You can write 98.4 degree Fahrenheit to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So, on Fahrenheit scale, the normal temperature of the human body is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. It means that above 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, it means you are having a fever. Till 98.6, you are having a normal temperature. And when the temperature exceeds 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, that means you are having a fever. Now, as we know that we measure the temperature with the help of mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometer. Now, in Fahrenheit scale, I am just drawing the scale only. This is the Fahrenheit scale. I am just writing a degree Fahrenheit. Now, this is called lower fixed point. This point. The lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Point is clear? 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is also called ice point. and this is also called steam point. Steam point. Important, this is steam point, this is the ice point. So like this you can draw it. Let this is 52 degree Fahrenheit, then 72, then 112, then 132, then 152, then 172, and then 192. Is that clear? 32, 52, 70. Just see the difference. What is the difference? 20 degree Fahrenheit difference is there. 2, 0, 0. So this is the Fahrenheit scale. The only thing which you have to keep in mind that the ice point on the Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the steam point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now the next is Celsius scale. The next is Celsius scale. Celsius scale. Symbol is degree Celsius. Now in this case the ice point is 0 degree Celsius and the steam point is 100 degree Celsius. Clear? 0 to 100. Clear? So this is called ice point. Ice point, and this is called steam point. This is steam point and this is ice point. Now the number of division between the steam point and the ice point is 100. And how we can find the number of division between, you can write here number of division between the ice point and the steam point. How we can find it? Steam point minus ice point. So steam point is 100 and ice point is 0. It means between 0 and 100 there are 100 division. Number of division you can write here 100 division. Clear? Even here you can find number of divisions. Number of division. Again steam point minus ice point. Steam point minus ice point. So steam point here it is 212 minus 32. So how much it is? 0. 8 means 180. So the number of division in the Fahrenheit scale is 180 and the number of division in the Celsius scale is 100 division. Clear? Now the next is Kelvin scale. Next is Kelvin scale, and it is having a symbol K, Kelvin scale. Now in this case, the ice point or lower fixed point, this is also called lower fixed point. Ice point is 273, and it is 373 Kelvin. This is your steam point. Once again, 373 Kelvin steam point, 273 Kelvin ice point. So is the number of division. I am straightway writing it. Number of division 373 minus 273, and this is 100. Just see that the Celsius scale the number of division is 100. In Kelvin scale the number of division is 100. Means the value of one division जो है in both of the cases is same. The value of one division in both of the cases, in Celsius scale and the Kelvin scale, is same. Now the next is relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Right? Scales. And this is very important. Relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. The relation is like this: C upon 5. C means Celsius. This is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. F means Fahrenheit scale. This is minus 32 upon 9. Now even you can simplify it. Cross multiply. Just cross multiply. This will be 9C is equal to 5 F minus 32. So this is 9C is equal to 5 F minus 160. 5 will multiply with F, then 5 will multiply with 32. So 9C, that is equal to 5F minus 160. So like suppose, let us take one example. Convert 50 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. This is the example. We have to apply this relation. Now 50 degree Fahrenheit, you can apply this. 9C is equal to 5. F means Fahrenheit. It is given 50. So you just put the value here, and this is 160. Clear? So 9C is equal to 250 minus 160. So 9C is equal to 90. Clear? Then C will be 90 upon 9, cut it 10 degree Celsius. So when you will convert 50 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, you simply put the value here. Here we are applying this relation. 9C is equal to 5F minus 160. Put the value and you will get the answer. So next is a relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. Now, in this case, for example, if it is given 20 degrees Celsius, convert 20 degrees Celsius. Convert 20 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So whenever you are asked to convert it, you simply write 273 lower fixed point plus 20 degree. So what will be the answer? 293 Kelvin. So students, just see that the number of division on the Celsius scale is 100 division and the number of division on the Kelvin scale is 100 degrees Celsius. So here we can say that 1 degree Celsius is equal to 1 Kelvin. 1 degree Celsius is equal to 1 Kelvin. So like this you can convert. Now the next is to demonstrate and explain the use of clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer means the thermometer which is used by the doctors only. For this we required mercury clinical thermometer having Fahrenheit scale, tap water and some oral antiseptic. Now this is the clinical thermometer, and just see that it is calibrated with the scale. Wash the bulb of the thermometer with water and rinse with antiseptic. First of all, you might have seen that before checking the temperature of the human body, the doctor wash it with the water and then rinse with antiseptic. Shake thermometer to lower down the level of the mercury in the thermometer. Now keep the bulb of the thermometer below your tongue for a minute or so and then remove it. Take the thermometer before your eyes and roll it slightly such that the capillary of thermometer containing mercury looks like a ribbon. Read the scale. Normal body temperature of human being is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit to 98. As I have told to you now only. Clear? Now next activity is there to measure temperature of water in degree Fahrenheit. So for this we just need water in a beaker, laboratory stand, Fahrenheit thermometer, thread. Just see that, place beaker containing water on a laboratory stand. This is the laboratory stand, and this beaker containing water is placed on it. Now hang the thermometer as shown the figure such that the bulb is fully dipped in water and it does not touch the walls of the beaker. We have to make sure that the thermometer should not touch the walls of the beaker. Now let mercury rises till it comes to rest. Bring your eyes to a level of the mercury. Note the reading. In this case it is 90 degree Fahrenheit. So like this you can measure the temperature of water in a degree Fahrenheit. One more thing, normal human body temperature in centigrade scale is 37 degree. You can write here 37 degree. Important point is this point is important. Normal human body temperature in centigrade scale is 37 degree Celsius. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.